Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video, we'll start numpy, which is a very important dictionary or you call it package in Python. Okay. So what is numpy? Numpy is a fundamental package provided by Python, which is having numerous type of libraries which are useful for performing the scientific calculations. Okay. Now next is it is generally used for working with arrays, matrices and mathematical functions. So with the use of numpy, the libraries provided by numpy, you'll be able to perform various kind of mathematical scientific operations and see why Python is useful. We use Python for data science. Okay, data science means a huge quantity of data. So huge quantity of data can be handled with the help of numpy. So what facility numpy is providing is it is allowing us to perform any kind of linear operations. It makes the code less lengthier. It provides linear operations, algebraic operations and many more. Then next, see, we have even lists. In lists also we can have store data, access them. We can change the data. We can modify the data. We can perform the operations on the data. But the thing is, I have taken here a simple example. I have taken here actually 3 lists. Okay, and in list C, I am appending the multiplication of members of 2 lists A and B. And suppose this is of having 1, 10, 20, 100. But what if these lists are having thousands of rows, thousands of elements in that? So that time we'll spare plenty of time doing in only a simple calculation. So that can be reduced with the help of the numpy. We can call as package. Okay, it is having many more libraries and objects. With the help of objects, simply we can reduce the length of code. Okay, this is the next feature. We can reduce the length of code, and it also offers us object oriented programming. So basic of all the programs, base of the programs is object. Okay, with the help of object you can perform encapsulation. You can encapsulate the data in object form, and later on it is easier for using. Then next is how to use the numpy package by simply installing the built-in package provided by the Python. Okay. Next, here I have given a simple format of how to import numpy in our program. If you have to perform operations provided with the numpy libraries, you have to import the numpy. So this is the syntax of importing numpy. Import is a keyword, numpy again is a keyword as np. Suppose we are taking it as we are accessing it through the object np. Now this is the simple example of creating an array or list of 15 elements. Okay, here a is equals to np dot arrange 15. What will this do? It will create a list of 15 elements. Okay, we need not write the full list. It will create the list by itself of 15 elements. And what will be the output? It will create list of 15 elements starting with 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3 up to 14. So this was about the basics of numpy. We'll see in upcoming videos. I'll show you the functions, how to use the objects of numpy. Thank you.